In this video, I'm going to show you why curry leaves are great for hair growth. If you're obsessed with the idea of having long, thick hair, you've probably spent a slightly horrifying amount of money over the years on so-called miracle products that claim to be able to solve your slow growth issues. Unfortunately, these products rarely live up to expectations, and what's worse, they often contain ingredients that can do more damage to your hair than good. Instead of looking to the commercial hair industry to promote faster hair growth, you're best going right back to basics. Ultimately, the rate at which hair grows is based on natural factors like our genetic makeup, the foods we eat, and our overall physical health. It makes sense then that the best methods of promoting hair growth are those that use wholly natural ingredients like curry leaves. So what are curry leaves? Curry leaves come from the curry tree, a tropical plant that's native to India. They're most commonly used in, you guessed it, curry dishes, as well as oils, rice dishes, and tea. Curry leaves are very aromatic and have a strong flavor that has been compared to citrus and lemongrass. When cooked, curry leaves have a mild and slightly nutty aroma. So why are curry leaves good for our hair? You wouldn't think to use curry leaves anywhere other than in your kitchen, but research suggests that this natural ingredient can do more than add flavor and taste to your Indian dishes. Here are the 3 benefits of curry leaves for our hair. Number 1. Reduces hair loss and thinning. The main reason why so many people swear by curry leaves as a natural hair care remedy is because of their ability to reduce hair loss. Hair loss is sometimes hereditary, but can also be caused by factors such as poor diet, a lack of protein, or even poor combing techniques. Curry leaves are a fantastic source of beta-carotene, which our bodies turn into vitamin A. We need plenty of vitamin A in our diets for cell growth, including those in the hair, which grow the fastest of all cells in the body. The protein found in curry leaves is also effective in speeding up hair growth, as our hair is actually made up of a number of different proteins, including keratin. The more protein we take in, the stronger our hair can be, which in turn promotes faster growth. Number 2. Improves hair quality. Hair follicles can quite easily become clogged up with pollutants and chemicals from hair products, which can result in weak, dull, or damaged hair. Treating hair with curry leaves is an effective method of reducing the effects of these compounds and assisting in the scalp restoration process. The beta-carotene found in curry leaves doesn't just promote hair growth, it also helps protect against dry, dull hair by encouraging the glands in the scalp to make an oil called sebum. Additionally, the antioxidants in curry leaves provide strength to the hair follicles and moisturize the scalp, improving blood circulation in the scalp, which helps prevent hair loss. Number 3. Prevents premature graying. Some research even suggests that using curry leaves for your hair may prevent premature graying. Everyone's hair turns gray naturally as part of the aging process, but early graying can be caused by external factors such as stress, alcohol intake, and smoking. Curry leaves are a source of vitamin B, which has been found in studies to reverse graying fur, although to suggest such effects are possible in humans. A deficiency in vitamin B5 is linked to premature graying, so it stands to reason that making sure you get enough of the vitamin in your diet should help you to keep your natural color for longer. So how do you use curry leaves for hair growth? If you're keen to give curry leaves for hair growth a go, try these 3 different uses. Number 1. Curry leaf hair mask. To make a curry leaf hair mask, mash your chosen amount of fresh curry leaves in a bowl until they form a paste. Mix this paste with natural yogurt and apply onto your hair from roots to tips, massaging into your scalp. Leave the mask for up to half an hour before rinsing off and washing your hair with a mild shampoo. Apply once a week for the best results. Number 2. Curry leaf hair serum. For curry leaf hair serum, mash a handful of fresh curry leaves and combine with 4 to 5 tablespoons of hot coconut oil until a black liquid begins to form. Wait for the coconut oil to cool before adding the mixture directly to your scalp. Leave for up to an hour before rinsing off and following with shampoo. Use twice a week for hair growth benefits. Number 3. Curry leaf tea. For something a little simpler, boil several curry leaves in hot water on the stove, remove and leave to cool. Add lemon juice or honey to taste, remove the leaves and drink the beverage daily for a week. As a bonus, curry leaf tea is also fantastic for supporting healthy digestion. Ultimately, you could quite easily choose to add curry leaves to your diet and let the benefits work from the inside out. but applying them directly to your scalp may prove to be more effective for hair growth over a shorter period of time. You can find dried curry leaves in most supermarkets, and you may be able to buy them fresh from some produce markets or online. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 15 curry leaves benefits. Thanks for watching and bye for now.